Today we're getting some work done while standing, improving our health and productivity with the help of our new L-shaped electric 63-inch stand-up desk from ERGear. And it comes shipped to your door, ready for you to get your stand on too. Installation is pretty easy. Cut open the box and lay out all your parts so you can see what's what. Inside the box, you can find your user manual, and then a bunch of different parts to assemble your desk. To get started, we're going to assemble the top shelf. Put in the pegs in the sides of the main board and slide it into the other boards. Connect them together using the mounting brackets and then put in the pegs and screw locks. Slide in the front wall of the shelves, put in your locks and screw them down. Next, put in the divider pieces to the shelves and screw those down as well. Put the pegs into the top of the dividers, then take the angled bottom piece and slide it into the pegs. Put in the pegs on the sides and screw the board down. Connect the side boards to the pegs and slide those into place. Put in the locks and screw those down. Then use the mounting brackets to connect the shelves together. Now it's time to assemble the legs. Attach the cross beams and support beams to the legs, and then lay the legs onto the desk and line it up with the pre-drilled holes. Screw the legs to the bottom of the desk, and then use the mounting plates to hold the legs down. Next, it's time to install the controller. Pick which side you want it and bolt that down. Screw down the headphone holders, then unscrew and extend your motor bar and slide that into the motor and the other leg. Tighten that back down and then grab your cable trays. Fold them into shape and then bolt them down. Do the same for the other cable tray and then grab the feet to your legs. Screw down the feet on both sides, and like that, we're ready to do some cable management. Mount your power cable box, then plug the cable into the controller. Then connect the cables on the motors to the controller as well. Then you can use the provided cable management ties to run your cables cleanly below the desk. Flip the desk over, unfold your drawers, and slide them into the slots in the desk. And now, the desk is complete and ready to set up our office. I set up my computer and ran all my cables through my cable management holes and trays. I filled the drawers with my most used items and then gave it a test. The desk can lift up to 220 pounds, and it lifts everything I need on it with ease. You can assign pre-measured heights and move it to that exact height with a click of a button. Or you can manually scoot it up and down a little bit, making it so you can get the perfect comfort at your desk. Whether I want to sit, stand, or walk at my desk treadmill, I can adjust it to what I need it to be, so I can continue being the most productive. Another cool feature about this desk is that it has a spot on the back of the shelves, where you can use desk mounts. My old stand-up desk didn't have this feature, so I can never use my monitor arm mounts, but now with this desk, I can. I'm able to look up at my monitors now, without neck strain. Looking down at the monitors for hours would really lock up my neck, but now I'm feeling loose and not distracted by pain. Not only that, but I go to bed worn out and feeling strong instead of tired from being sore. This is helping me sleep better and all around boosting my productivity. So if you're looking to improve your health and spice up your office as well, this stand-up desk might just be for you. Till next time, I'm gonna go get some work done at my desk. I love it here now. See ya.